friends, my name is Suvansh. Welcome back. If it's your first time here or not, hit that subscribe button and that bell. Like and share as well. Now, who doesn't want their own custom board game that looks like yummy chocolate with minimum materials at home? Well, you've come to the right video. This is the best way to engage kids during vacation time or best as a school or quarantine project. Our board game is called Chocolate or Candy. Let's get started. I'll take this just the right size for a board game cardboard piece. Measure its length and height with a scale. I have one paper each of the brown and white colors that matches the theme. White chocolate and brown for milk chocolate. Measure the paper's length and height with a scale too. The dimensions of the paper and the cardboard should be the same. Trim the cardboard or paper if needed. I am now dividing the paper into 10 equal strips, precisely and cutting them. The rules for our game is simple. You prepare a book with rules, and at the end, the winner asks questions about chocolate from the book to the loser. One eternity later. Your kind attention from Mom and Om. The narrator got so tired that he left. Thank you for your patience to read this. After that long eternity, the next step is to apply glue to the strips and stick them to the cardboard and assemble them in a mixed-up order. Next, mark points on the unfinished board. Divide it into 10 equal parts by using a black sketch. Now, write numbers from 1 to 100 with a black ink pen. A 100 eternities later, your kind attention from Mom and Om. The camera mysteriously walked away as well as the narrator. Thank you for your unbelievable patience to read this. For the baddies in our game, they're gummy worms, similar to snakes in Snakes and Ladders. If you end up in their mouths, you'll get pooped out on the other side. I recommend to draw them with a pencil. This game is basically a more creative and chocolatey version of the classic game Snake and Ladders from India. Now to color them. Make sure to use bright colors. You can use bicolor or tricolor or quadricolor, which is 4 colors, or any type of design you can think of. Don't add too many of the gummy ones as we still have the ladders to go. Time for the ladders. The surprise for the ladders are chocolate bars. Go creative and draw different popular chocolate brands like Snickers, Hershey's, Cadbury, Bounty, Mars, etc. and color them according to the real chocolate bars. Oh, and just like that, our board game is ready. But wait, don't click back. You still have to make the characters and dice. Let's start with the characters by making round circles and decorations in the middle. Surround the decorations with colors. I made 45 of these characters. We are done with the characters now. Now for the dice layout. Draw the layout of a dice here. 1 block on the top and 1 block from the bottom of the third of 4 boxes in a row, as you can see here. Now cut along the edge of the shape. Flip the layout and draw the numbers 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 in dots individually on each of the squares, like shown. Now fold the layout so that it will be a cube. Please don't be making the mistake of putting the dots inside the cube. The lines will guide you where to fold. Now tape it into a stable cube. And that's all for the dice. It's easy to make the book that I mentioned earlier, so no tips on that. We are done. Hope you like this creative idea from our smart boy Swanch. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Love you all and bye.